welcome to another Candy Microwavers with our cameraman Kyle.
Yeah.
And me. So,
Yeah.
me, John.
Yeah.
Okay, so, anyway, what we'll be microwaving
Yeah.
today is a candy foot. There she is. Alright, shut the door, start the timer, and let's give them some entertainment, Kyle, huh?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Do you believe in magic? Just like the story of the Wizard of Oz, I have a wish to be a very special girl. Make a wish. I really, really wanna know so much. So tell me, are you the Wizard of Oz?
No! Dad! I am not the Wizard of Oz. You know what I think?
Rock on! OMG!
Oh, hot day! Oh my God!
Fire! Oh! That's what I did. Now let's go back to the door again.
Skip ahead.
To Dorothy. Dorothy, it's fine. Not look right. Look at that. Got a little pimple right there.
What?
Will you take me to the land of Oz? Yes, I will go home. Let's go then. But that's your house and not the land of Oz.
But this is much more fun.
You can be my wizard, but don't tell anyone. Just like the story of the Wizard of Oz, I have a wish to be a very special girl. I really, really wanna know so much, so tell me, are you the Wizard of Oz?
No! Thank you for viewing. This is the grossest thing you've ever seen.
You ever gonna say?
Almost.
To the next one.
Songs were The Wizard of Oz by Toy Box. This is the Will You Take Me to the Land of Oz? And Metallica Seek and Destroy, which is this one. Which is gosh darn it, which is You'll be dying with 1,000 deaths. It's that one. But if you want to listen to it again, it's the one with the awesome electric guitar.
Goodbye.
It's heavy rock and
Goodbye.